Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. Today, we're diving into a review of the Citi Mobile Banking app, exploring its features, usability, and performance. The Citi app allows users to manage accounts, track spending, and perform transactions on the go. Whether you're new to banking or looking for a solid mobile banking option, this app is a solid choice to consider. Let's break down its pros and cons. The Citi Mobile app offers a clean, easy-to-navigate interface with several key features. First, it's equipped with an account overview dashboard, which gives you quick access to checking, savings, and credit card balances. Transferring funds between accounts, paying bills, and sending money to others through Zelle are also straightforward with the app. The app's security is another highlight, with two-factor authentication and a Face ID login option, ensuring your personal data stays safe. On the plus side, the app also supports mobile check deposits, allowing you to deposit checks remotely by simply taking a picture. The spending tracker is a useful feature for those who like to keep an eye on their finances, helping users categorize their purchases and set up budgets. Citi's customer service integration is convenient as well, allowing you to easily reach support directly from the app when needed. However, the Citi app is not without its drawbacks. One issue that users may encounter is the app's occasional slow performance, especially during peak usage times. Additionally, while the app offers many great features, some users have reported that certain actions, like setting up new payees for bill payments, can be a bit tedious. There's also a lack of comprehensive budgeting tools compared to some other banking apps, which might leave more serious budgeters looking elsewhere. Another downside is that Citi's ATM network is smaller than some other banks, meaning you might face fees when withdrawing money from ATMs outside the Citi network. This can be inconvenient depending on where you live and how often you use ATMs. All things considered, the Citi Mobile Banking app is a solid choice for managing day-to-day banking activities, especially if you're already a Citi customer. It offers a reliable, secure, and convenient way to handle your finances on the go. However, some performance issues and limited budgeting features might not meet the needs of everyone.